Tasks in Quenza aren't just for keeping yourself organized, they're also a great tool for helping your clients stay accountable and get things done. Let me show you how to use your tasks for both your practice and your client's success. Let's say I need to create a task for myself. Here's how it works. First, click the Add Task button right here. Next, give your task a clear title, something like Send Contract, so you know exactly what needs to be done. We can also set a due date. Let's say this task should be done by July 20. Now, let's assign the task. I can assign it to myself in two ways. I can select my name from the drop-down menu, or I can simply click Assign to Me for a shortcut. Here is another important step. We can link this task to a specific client, providing the right context. For example, maybe sending this contract is related to my client, Xing. I select their name here, and now this task is connected to that client's profile. Once I click Add Task, it's added to my personal to-do list. You'll see it right here showing the task title, the associated client, Xing, and who the task is assigned to. When the task is done, simply check the round input box here. You'll see a check mark confirming it's completed. Quick and easy. Because this task is linked to a client, you'll also find it in their profile. If you go to Xing's profile and open the Tasks tab, you'll see the task we just created sitting right there. This way you always have full visibility of tasks within the client's context. Now let me show you how to assign a task directly to one of your clients. Perfect for small action steps, reminders, or follow-ups that help your client stay on track. We start on the Tasks Overview page. To add a new task, simply click the plus task button. Let's say I want my clients to meditate for 5 minutes. I enter the task title, Meditates for 5 minutes. Next, I add a due date. Let's say July 20. Now, I assign the task to the client. In this case, I'll select Xing again from my client list. Once I hit Add Task, the client is created and added to your overview. You'll see here the task title, the assigned client, Xing, and of course, because the task belongs to this client, they're also shown as the context for this task. If you go to Xing's profile and click on the Tasks tab, you'll see the task we just created, Meditate for 5 minutes. When the client completes this task in their Quenza app, you automatically receive a notification, so you stay in the loop without having to follow up manually. And that's task management in Quenza. You now have a system that keeps you organized while also helping your clients stay accountable and engaged.